Here are some of our favorite restaurants and bars in Cork, Ireland. Goldie is arguably one of the best seafood restaurants in Cork. Situated on the city's main hub, Oliver Plunkett Street, Goldie serves up flavorful food with beautiful presentation and fresh catches of the day like pan-fried turbot, pan-roast hake, and pan-fried John Dory. Next, we've got Elbow Lane, which is by far the perfect combination of fantastic meat and brew, both beautifully executed. Goldie's sister restaurant is a smokehouse and a nano brewery.
They have in-house groceries, the smallest in Cork. This is the stout. Yum.
The meat is prepared in a wood fire oven in an open kitchen. Each is meticulously prepared to explicit precision. From the wood-grilled ribeye to T-bone, both are juicy and delightful, accompanied with smoked cascade butter. The slow-smoked baby back ribs with house sauce was heavenly. Every strip was devoured to the bone. The Corner House is an Irish pub featuring live traditional Irish music right in Cork city centre. Since 1994, this fan favorite has been the inspiration for local artists, writers, and poets. Traveling musicians drop in and have spontaneous performances on the spot, making the Corner House a fun bar for both locals and visitors. It's a lovely time with a pint of Guinness or a local brew.
Eating at the English market. This is fish patties. Yum. And got myself a nice cup of latte.
Since 1788, English Market has been the heart of the city's major indoor food market. For the best quality of produce, ingredients, and prepared Irish dishes, there isn't a better place that offers a wide selection that is both fresh and local. The English market has been woven into the fabric of the city's history and suffered through various hardships, including wars, floods, and even the Great Famine. For truly one of the best brewery tours in all of Ireland, stop by Franciscan Brewery, situated in a former Franciscan monastery. This microbrewery was opened in 1998 and it produces 5 beers and specializes in ale, lager, and stout. It's even more special since it's believed that the water from the monastery's well has healing powers. The brewery tour starts with an explanation in the mini factory, then ends with several tastings.
We're at the Franciscan Wells, the monastery. Here is a taste of the Red Rebel, which Cork is known for. Caramelized taste, as opposed to being smoky, roasted. Cheers.
The SpitJack is famous for its rotisserie fabulousness. In 2017, husband and wife Richard and Laura opened this delightful eatery after moving to Cork. They're the masterminds behind SpitJack with locally sourced produce, especially the Irish chicken.
We're having dinner at SpitJack tonight. Roasted chicken.
From the menu, the rotisserie chicken arrives in various forms. New West Cork, rotisserie pulled chicken, the rotisserie roasted chicken burger, and the rotisserie chicken Caesar salad.
It's getting dark, too dark to see. Feels like I'm knocking on heaven's door.
The Oliver Plunkett is a traditional Irish pub wildly popular with tourists. Aptly named after the Catholic Archbishop as well as the street it's located on, this massive pub showcases some of the best live music in Cork. The wide beer selection spans from a classic Guinness or a hop house to delicious craft beers. Visitors can browse through fascinating photos, old Irish quotes, and even song lyrics that embellish its dark walls and ceiling.
This is Kelly's Restaurant on one of the main streets here in Cork. Very, very simple but traditional Irish food, comfort Thanksgiving style.
Kelly's Restaurant serves up traditional Irish fare like bacon and cabbage, roasted turkey, and stuffed chicken. Kelly's has been a family business since 1989 and has become a staple for elderly folks, making this beloved eatery a truly authentic experience for travelers. Check out Jetset Times Cork travel guide for more cool addresses. If you like what you watched, subscribe to our channel for weekly travel content.